Welcome to DIY with Gayle in the Ketchikan Public Library. Welcome, friends, family, and neighbors. Today, we're going to work on some Valentines. It's getting pretty close. So, this is the Valentines. It's a weaving. You can actually open them and put in kisses or stickers or whatever if you like. This I made out of printer paper. This one I made out of cardstock. The cardstock is very, very difficult. The first couple turn out nice, then I ended up with a tear, I ended up with bending. So unless you're very patient, which I am not, cardstock does not work for me. It could work for you. I used the lightweight paper here. Note, it's not pink and it's not red, and I love it. So use different colors. I used scraps for this project, scraps of everything. My favorite paper to work with was the newspaper and printer paper. It worked amazing. There was no tears, no pulling, no nothing. It just worked so amazing. The other one that works very, very well is construction paper. And the construction paper is what I'm going to use today. Okay, so we'll pause for a moment and then come on over here and I'll show you how to make it. All right, so to begin with, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. That is the key to all of this. The paper must be folded in half. Our pattern is just, it looks like a little octopus or whatever. It is 5.5 length, 3.5 wide, and then I've just made 3 equal cuts to make them sort of equal. They're not absolutely perfect or anything like that. Lay it down. This goes on your fold. Do a quick cut out. Very simple. And there's our little legs for weaving, okay? You need 2 of those in 2 different colors to make your heart. So I've got a red and a pink construction paper, and here's how we'll begin. Taking leg 1 of that one and leg 1 of this one. We're gonna just weave them. Leg 2 is going to go in between. Leg 3 and leg 4. And that's your first row. Now we can slide that in there all the way to the edge, or to the beginning cuts and to the edge. And this is going to tell you if you made your slits this far enough. See how it goes all the way to the end? Now we know it's going to be a perfect heart. Moving on to the second leg. Okay, this one will go inside. See there? Just wiggle a little until it lays down. And this one's going to go through the center. And then this one will go in here. There's our second row. Third row. That one's going to go in between. Like I said, the construction paper was nice and simple. It It doesn't bend, and it doesn't tear very easily, so it's wonderful to work with. I think the kids will have fun with it if you want to do it with the kids or the grandkids. This one goes inside there. And go to the next one. Got a little bit of the shakes this morning. And the last one's going to be problematic for me. Isn't that the way of it? There we go. Then when you lay it down, just straighten everything out a little bit, give it a little pull or a little, and there's your Valentine. You can write on it, you can fill it with stickers and Hershey Kisses. What I love about these is that I put a lot of them up at the library, so in the windows you get the view from both sides. I hope you'll give this a little try and have fun. And remember, try the different papers and use your scraps. This one's probably my favorite right there. All right. Okay. We're doing the Winter Reading Club, Adult Winter Reading Club at the library, so make sure you stop in, check out the prizes, and get yourself a book. Alrighty, we'll see you at the library. Thank you.